Hello viewers, welcome to Varam Krishna Job Channel. Today we are going to see some interesting fresher job opportunity in new technologies. Let's see everything in detail in this video. Yes, as usual, I am just keep saying the same thing in my each video. Varam Krishna Job Channel always post only genuine tech job updates, which is applicable for both freshers and experienced. So if you have a trust for me, please subscribe, share, and like what are the job I just updated here over here, right? Video. You can share the same video or nearby job seekers, colleagues, and friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Obviously, your subscription obviously would give me a lot of confidence and energy to post for particular job information opportunities in the channel. Yes, viewers, let's see the detail in this video include the jobs and how to apply for it. But in this video, let's begin. This is our disclaimer card. I'm just keep saying the same thing in each video. I'm not a hiring person. I'm just sharing the job information to the job seekers in case even of the employer or anyone asks me to pay the money to get a job. Please do not pay. It might be the fake one for sure. Also, I'm not responsible for this. Okay, let's dive into this video. Yes, viewers, the company name is called DeftBOX Solutions. So, DeftBOX Solutions is located in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. We are just hiring openings. Technologies, let's see. Not the new openings, sorry, my bad. So, hiring for the freshers for DeftBOX Solutions. Let's see what are the technologies. Yes, that is first one is called a .NET developer. They are just hiring the .NET developer fresher. Okay, they are just very experienced. They are just looking only for the fresher candidate who already done any certification with respect to the .NET development, or if you don't have any certification, that is also fine. They are just going to only the freshers because they are going to be very for sure they are going to be training. Then here they will make some they may make some push you by there is something on it. Then they are deploying the AI projects. It's not yes, the second technology is called React.js developer. So it's a great opportunity to become a React.js developer. If you are strong with any JS, then it would be very useful for you. Why? Because JS each and every day, each and every year will grow. New JS will come each and every year. So that if you are very good in one of the JS JavaScript, then it would be better for your upcoming new technologies. It would be better for you. You can able to easily upskill yourself because you are already, in case if you are getting if you are got the very good hands-on experience in the JS, then it would be fine for you. Yes, yes, like I said, so there is no constraint for the way either it's a UG or PG. So any stream, in case if you are from the CS background, that is more than enough to apply this position. So whether you have completed either UG or PG doesn't matter. So simply you should from the CS background, that's enough. Okay, more than nothing is required more than that. Okay then, so this is that official declaration they are just given. So DeftBOX solution, this is the marketing they are just done so far. In that, one of my sources they have shared me this position. Like I said, right, the open position for two technologies, one is .NET developer and one more is React.js developer. They are just hiring the freshers, nothing is required, experience doesn't required here. So in case if you are okay about this position, please share your CV in the mentioned email ID. My email ID is connect@deftboxsolutions.com. I just given the same into my description box. You just get it over there itself. In order to avoid the C and you need to type it, right, simply I just given into my the same link into my description box. You can get it from there. Yes, the location is like I said, right. So this is the exact location I just given here. In general, Ahmedabad, Gujarat. So if anyone looking for the job in the Gujarat region or anyone ready to relocate to Gujarat, please apply the job immediately, like I said, right? So nowadays try to use the small level companies. So mostly the MNCs are already hanged the no vacancy board in front of their offices, right? So in order to avoid those, do not focus the majorly MNC companies, try to focus the small level companies. Why I'm just saying, you can able to learn more in the small level companies. Okay, only the benefit you get from the MNC, they would provide you training. Okay, here you can get the training as well as hands on. So through the hands on you can get the training. So it's a huge opportunity. So try to focus, try to enter any one of the MNC. In case we are not getting any of the job with the MNC, then try to focus the small level companies. That would be fine for your future. Yes, we were. That's it today. So again, I'm just saying, Varun Krishna Job Channel always will do post only the genuine tech job updates, which is applicable for both freshers and experienced. So in case if you feel okay, then please share, subscribe, and do not forget to subscribe. Why I'm just requesting, I'm just asking you to keep asking you to share the job videos to neighbors and job seekers. In case if you feel which is not suitable for you, the job skills, job skill, and the like whatever the, I'm just posting the video, right, regarding the jobs which is not suitable for you. In that case, you can simply share the same to your nearby job seekers, at least who already working for the some other technology they are looking. In case example I'm saying, your friend looking for the Java developer, you are looking for the React JS developer. In that case, you can swap the job videos nearby yourself. My main motto is everyone should get the job as per their interest, as per their wish. That is my main motto. So that's why I'm just keep posting all the videos. Whatever I know, I'm just collecting those information. I'm just converting the video. If I put a video, then it would be reached, I can able to reach wider audience. So if I say, if I post the same into my LinkedIn, so who will not be part of the LinkedIn, they would not know about the job, right? So if I posted it to my YouTube, simply I can able to share the same into any one of them. Simply I just given the URL, they can able to watch the video, then they would get benefited by watching this video. Yes, yes, viewers, thank you so much by watching this video. I hope it would be very useful for you. In case if you which is not suitable for you, I just posted this video. Please share the same your nearby .NET developers as well as the React JS developer who just working with you, who has been studied with you, or else any nearby guys who are looking for the change. Please share the same to them. They would get, at least they would get benefited by watching this video. Again, I'm just saying, what Krishna Job Channel always will do post only the genuine tech job updates. It will never ever do post any fake job updates. In that case, in that point, you can trust me forever. So if you feel, if you are okay, then do not forget to subscribe and share and like the videos. Also please spread out the words what I'm just saying with you, right? So please spread out from nearby neighbors and job seekers and friends. So at least they would get benefited. That is my main motto. Yes, viewers, thank you so much. One more time, let me connect with you new job, new upcoming job notification. Until then, bye, thank you.